Exercise 6.5, seventh sum. Find the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 5, 4, 2 to the line x plus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by 3 is equal to z minus 1 by 0 by minus 1. Also find the equation of perpendicular. So, find the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 5, 4, 2. So, this is the point 5, 4, 2. This is a point. From there I am drawing a straight line. So this is perpendicular. This is called foot of perpendicular. This I am going to note it as F. See here, a point. Once again study the sum. Find the foot of perpendicular. I need to find the foot of perpendicular. The foot of perpendicular is nothing but a point. Foot of perpendicular is nothing but point. I need to find the point. I need to find this point. So, find the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 5, 4, 2. Where is it drawn? Drawn from the point of 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2 to the line. Which line? X plus 1 by 2 to the line. This is the line. This line equation nothing but x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 1 by minus 1. Z minus 1 by minus 1. Also find the equation of perpendicular. I need to find this point and need to find this equation also. I need to two solutions given. To find this, there is one easy method to find this sum. Using this, I am going to solve this sum. Nothing but coordinate or foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular. To find a foot of perpendicular, I have a formula. Nothing but a vector plus b vector minus a vector dot u vector divided by u vector dot u vector into u vector. This is a formula. This is the easiest formula. This formula you can't able to see in textbook itself, but if you're going to use this formula, you can easily able to find. So what are the conditions we want to see? First, I need to find a vector. A vector is nothing but this. We will not choose this minus 1. This is plus 3. This is plus 1. This is minus 1. This I need to take as a vector. So a vector is equal to minus I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. This I am going to take as b vector. B vector is equal to 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. So I need to make b minus a. B vector minus a vector. 5. This minus will become plus, nothing but 6 I cap. 4 minus 3 is nothing but j cap. 2 minus 1 is nothing but k cap. This is b vector minus a vector. Next to what is u vector? This u vector. U vector is equal to 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. I need to find u vector dot u vector. After u vector dot u vector is nothing but you need to dot 2I plus 2j minus k dot with 2I plus 2j minus k. So what is the answer is going to be? 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are once again 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 minus to minus plus nothing but plus 1. Here question is 3. 2 3 minus 1. Question is 2 3 minus 1. So I need to put 3 here. 3 3s are 9. So answer is nothing but 9 10 14. Answer is 14 because the question is 3. I will return 2 but the question is 3. So nothing but 14. I found u dot u. I found b minus a. So I am going to apply. What is a vector? Minus I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap plus b minus a. What is b minus a here? 6 I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot u vector. What is u vector here? 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap divided by u dot u. What is u dot u? 14 into this. No, I should not place dot here. U vector, that's all. 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap is equal to minus I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap plus 6 2s are 12. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So now only I told I have changed the u vector is nothing but 3. No, I need to put 3 here. So 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3, plus into minus 1. I changed the u here, but I forgot to change here u. So u is nothing but 3. So I put 3 here also. Next 14, 2 I cap plus, here also I change the u. I need to change the u. 3 j cap minus k cap. So minus I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap plus 14. 12 plus 3 15. 15 minus 1 14. Both will be cancelled. So what is the remaining here? 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap. Answer is nothing but minus I plus 2 I nothing but plus I cap. 3j plus 3j is nothing but 6j plus k cap minus k cancel 0 k cap. This is foot of perpendicular. Therefore the coordinate of f is nothing but I cap coefficient 1, j cap 6, this is 0. That's all the sum. First subdivision sum is over. Using this formula I can easily find this u dot u. You can easily find. If you go in see another method is very difficult. This is a very easiest method. Using this formula I can easily find. But you need to choose a vector as this one, b vector this one, this is u vector. Then only you can able to do the sum. Next, this is the first subdivision. Next I need to find the equation. I will keep this one as d. Equation of fd. Equation of fd. So this is f and d. This is f. This is d. Now when I found the f point 1, 6, 0, d point is nothing but 5, 4, 2. 5, 4, 2. So equation of fd. If 2 point is formed, what is the Cartesian equation to form is nothing but x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. This is x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, because I have drawn the line from d only, the line is started. So this is going to be x1. From d the line starts and comes at f. No, that such like only they given the question. What is the question here? Find the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 5, 4, 2. Find the foot of perpendicular. Where is drawn? Drawn from the d 5. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 0. Now only we have found. So x minus, what is x1 here? 5. Y, what is y1 here? 4. Z minus, what is z1 here? 2. x2 minus x1, 1 minus 5 is nothing but minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So this is our required answer for this sum. This is a very difficult sum, but by using the formula, this formula is not present in any of your textbook. It is useful in engineer mathematics. This formula used here and found the answer. You want to choose a vector, b vector properly and put the answer.